In many plastic applications, you can find thermoform applications. Thermoform application contains always a heating station, a heating section, and a cooling area or a press station where the plastic part will be formed. You can see here in our model that we have a heating section and a cooling section, and in between we have a gap with an infrared camera. The infrared camera can scan line by line the temperature of the moving plastic part. So in the software PIX Connect, you have the possibility to use the so-called line scan mode. With the line scan mode, you can create a trigger area and a scan line. So if the plastic part moves from the heating area to the cooling section, it will pass the trigger area, and after passing the trigger area, our software will start to scan line by line the object. Let's have a look to the line scan mode. So you can switch now from the creating area to the line scan mode. And let's start another try. So my heated plastic part will move to the cooling section. In between it will pass the gap, and you can now see our software is scanning line by line the plastic part, and in the end you have the complete plastic part as image. You can also see here measure areas and also a hotspot detection, and after each line scan you can store the picture in the line scan history. So after the scan process, you can open also an image and you can analyze the image later.